All right, we're going down this fuck-nose road here. This was the road that I was meant to go down. What, like, you obviously can't not expect me to fucking run past you, mate. Oh, do not speak. All right, boys, a little bit of a different one. As you can see, I'm not in my own car. Not even in the country of UK. And you might be wondering, oh, why are you? Whose car are you in? Well, I'm in my mum's car, okay? But we're going for a little POV drive. Now, forgive me if anything goes wrong. I've never driven here. As long as I bring myself back home in one piece. Manual diesel, bro. What do you know about the diesel power? In fact, I did own a diesel 1 series, so the clutch is pretty similar. This clutch is pretty easy to use. But yeah, I thought I'd record a POV drive because, you know, it is a lot more interesting than driving in the UK. At least this way, bro. Look, I mean, where do you get this in the UK? Just straight ass roads. It's a little bit different, you know. I've been in Latvia for like the past 2 weeks. I did drive in Poland, but you know, by drive I was literally just driving down straight roads like this. There is a nice little view and a nice little drive nearby. Don't know what type. That looks like a fucking tornado over there. But one thing I've noticed here, bro, is everyone's just following their own rules and laws, bro. There's no point putting up the speed limit, bro. People are doing 150, like, it doesn't even matter, bro. I don't know if this is just Eastern European Baltics or just the standard of driving in Europe in general. Either way, bro, I don't really care, bro. As long as no one crashes into me, you guys can do whatever you like. But yeah, hopefully everyone's been doing good. Everyone's been having a good time. I know by the time this video's come out, I haven't uploaded a YouTube video for about 2 fucking months. Not 2 months, Jesus Christ, what am I on about? It's been about 2 weeks. Not 2 months, Jesus fucking Christ, I apologize. So yeah, it had been about 2 weeks since I uploaded a video, which is kind of a long time, but I did promise another one. You know, I didn't want to edit this video when I'm in Latvia on a laptop, so I decided I'm just gonna record it, come back home in the UK in a few days, get it edited, get it uploaded. Bro, that flavor actually bangs, but they barely have it in the UK. I don't know what it is, it literally just tastes like Fanta. Bro, energy drinks are so bad for you. I'm gonna have like holes in my heart and in my stomach. Me fucking opening GoFundMe to help my leukemia treatment. One thing I've noticed here is like the roads are a lot wider. I mean, as you can see, like I'm in a fast SUV and there's still plenty of space, and we're in the middle of buttfuck nowhere in Latvia. Shit like this in the UK would be a one-way and there'd be about 100 cars trying to come your way and you're just trying to give way. It's just bullshit. I also need to remember to drive on the right side of the road, because in the UK I'm so used to driving on the left, where there's gonna be a roundabout coming up, so I need to kind of remember, like, oh, stick to the right. I need to give way to the left, drive on the right hand side. Oh, Jesus Christ, mate. It's a good learning experience though, it's good fun. Giving a little drive in this, it's not too bad. I wish the weather would be a little bit better. I mean, the weather was quite good the first week I was here, it was always sunny, but for the past few days it's been pretty shit. I mean, there's literally a tornado brewing there, I don't know if you can see it. What the fuck? Anyway, another thing that I have no idea about is speed limits, so I've had to pull up Google Maps and just hopefully it tells me the correct speed limit. It's also in kilometers, so again, I have no idea what speed limit I'm meant to be at. I think if I click that, does that work? Yes, it does. Okay, great. But I know somewhere here the speed limit changes to like 70 kilometers, which, well, fuck me, man. I have no idea what 70 kilometers is in miles, but I think it's this. Yeah, okay. Right, remember, I was taught well, so you see this sign here, means we've got to drop it to 70. Are we at 70? Perfect, bro. I'm actually a genius. It's still not even changed there. I just look like a fucking idiot going so much slower, but I see the 70 sign now. Coming up to the roundabout, bro. This shit feels, you know what this feels like? This feels like when you were learning how to drive and you're like completely focused in, zoned in. Because you know when I'm doing my normal drives in the UK and my S3, where you're bombing it through speed limits, allegedly, you're not really focused on anything. But yeah, we've got the roundabout coming up, so now I'm gonna try lock in. You know what it is for me, bro? It's everything, because I don't even know what gear to be in right now, but I need to be that way. You know what, we'll slap it in third, check no one's there. It's this way. You know what, bro, I think I nailed it. All right, we're on the right side of the road, correct? Okay, hold up. Okay, so we're gonna go. Perfect. All right, we're going down this fuck-nose road here. This was the road I was meant to go down. It's not the most ideal, but I did just want to show you the views if we can at some point. See, bro, you're not getting this in the UK. If you look to our left, we've got a nice view of the lake. See, I would pull over, but there is people there, and I do have a fucking camera strapped to my head. Yeah, the view's nice. I do see a car up there, though. So hopefully they let me through. Actually, you know what, bro, fuck it. Let's pull over here. I want to see the view. Look at that. Nice little view, isn't it? Yeah, but you can actually swim in that lake, bro. I used to swim in there when I was a kid. Yeah, so if anyone was wondering why I was in Latvia, that's the reason why. And I guess we're letting this guy through now, so it doesn't really matter. Any day now, mate. Bro, I must look like a zoo animal in this country. Oh, am I even in gear? Yeah, sorry guys, I'm still figuring it out, okay? I'm not too used to the clutch. Forgive me if my manual driving skills aren't up to point, bro. I mean, I haven't driven a manual for almost like 4 months now, so obviously I'm going to be a little bit more rusty than usual. Fucking hell, this road is this road's sick, bro. This reminds me of the UK. But yeah, this view is sick, bro. I actually do not regret coming here at all. I kind of have to look at the road and shit like that. I want to show you guys the view. That is nice. I've never been down here, so obviously this is new to me as well. We're both experiencing it at the same time. I've only been on the other side, but that side you can't really drive on. There's only a car park. Looks like there's a bunch of signs. I don't read Latvian, so I have no idea what they say. But yeah, if anyone's wondering why I'm in Latvia, I'm here visiting family, okay? And yes, I don't speak Latvian, but I'm Latvian, but I speak Russian. It makes zero sense, okay? Don't ask me why. I've never lived in Latvia in my life. I don't know how to explain it to you, to be honest. You know, if this was like 3 hours later, this shit would be like a horror movie. Singular cars driving down here. I don't know how I'm meant to give way, but we're just gonna have to hope no one comes around my way. Eventually, I'm gonna find somewhere to turn around. Look at that. Bro, there's people living here and shit. Not bad. I wouldn't mind living here, you know. I feel like living in the quiet would be nice, but at the same time you kind of want the balance of the comfortability of having everything around you, you know, like stores and shit. Oh, there's a guy running there. Let's not run him over. Honestly, I'm just ready to go back to the UK at this point, bro. I've been here for like 2 weeks and it is nice, but again, I haven't had my car for like the past 2 months. What am I on about? 2 months? Is this guy gonna move out the way, or is he just gonna No, mate, it's completely fine. You're not, yeah, I mean, oh my God. The people here do not give a fuck. Like, he's genuinely expect me to drive past that. Just one more step to the left, please, bro. You know what, bro, if you get hit by me, it's not my fault, okay? I barely know the size of this car, and you're just pissing me off for no reason. Bro, you do not have to be that stubborn while running. Like, come on, you realise I'm in the 2-ton death machine. I won't just run you over. Promise you, I don't care if I get a little scratch in you. You're going to be walking around with fucking no legs. Mister, I'm in a wheelchair. It's like bringing a knife to a gunfight, bro. What do you genuinely expect? You're just going to get absolutely destroyed. Bro, this shit looks like straight out of a movie. You know, like zombie apocalypses. I've been playing The Last of Us 2. Bro, look at this. Imagine driving through it at night, bro. I'd be shitting bricks. And there's like weird marks in the trees. Waiting for a fucking zombie to jump out. Apparently there's bears that live here, just like small little brown bears. Or no, what are they called? Sorry, black bears. Brown bears are grizzly bears, aren't they? Giving you a fucking geography lesson, or is it biology? I don't know. It's been too long, bro, since I've been in school. And in other news, I am actually moving to uni. Ooh, fucking tree down. In other news, I'm moving to uni in like less than a month, so I'll be able to give you POV drives in a completely different area, so we're gonna have a little bit more fun with that. Can I do it here? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so what you want to do is pop it in reverse, which I've definitely not forgot how to. Oh, okay, the good thing about this car, unlike my Audi, it has reverse cameras, so reversing is actually nowhere near as bad. But nobody really trusts cameras anyway, bro. If you have to rely on cameras to reverse park, you're a fucking idiot. Bit of a hill start. I mean, this car probably comes with hill assist anyway. I don't fucking know what I'm about. This car's spec'd better out than mine, bro. It's got a pan roof, you know. Hold up. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to open it, but holy shit, look at that fucking sunroof. And the what's it called? The car baggage thing, bro. But yeah, I won't be able to open up the pan roof and start flexing on the ladies. Oh, we met the fucking runner guy again. He's gonna think I'm a right fucking idiot for coming around here, but he is gonna have to move this time. I've never seen a guy more dedicated to running than him. He's willing to kill himself over running. It's a little bit difficult driving this car because obviously I'm not used to the size of this car. My Audi S3 in comparison is tiny and it's so low down to the ground. If I point the camera down, I'm basically sat up like I'm sat on a chair. In my Audi, it's the other way around. I'm like I'm laying in my car. So yeah, and also don't blame me for the mess, okay? This is not my mess. I'd never leave a car this messy. Fucking diabolical, I know. Look at that. I don't know how they've got a car all the way down there. That is some genuine wizardry. Are you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know why you so upset. I mean, the road could be a little bit better, but I'd rate it like a 3 out of 10. Well, not a 3 out of 10. We'll give it like a 5 out of 10, considering the road surface. It's not the worst. This is like the average UK road. The view, 10 out of 10, bro. You don't get this shit in the UK unless you live in like Wales. And who the fuck lives in Wales? Because that's in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing going on in Wales. If you're watching this from Wales, bro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you got cooked with your spawn point. I thought I got cooked, but I feel like living in Wales is genuinely 10 times worse. You know what this scenery reminds me of? Like one guy, I think it's like Rust Bucket Racing or some shit like that. The guy who, I'm pretty sure he lives in Latvia as well, who does his rally car driving shit, where he like sends a bunch of shit boxes down these types of roads. Well, I'm telling you, the stares that I'm getting, you'd think I was wearing a fucking dildo on my head. Well, I fucking may as well be at this point. But it just comes with it, okay, that you gotta suffer. If you want the YouTube videos, I'm gonna have to make myself look like a right dildo just to drive around. I was also wondering what this was. Bro, they got some sacrificial weird shit, you know. Let's not question it. You know, I'm leaving the country now, so I can chat shit as much as I want. I don't want to chat shit, but I like this place. It's chill. Obviously, it's not the most modern, but look, I mean, how are you complaining with those views? You can't. I mean, it did look a little bit better when I was driving in, because now it's a bit dark, but. Look how close you are to the lake, bro. They would never have this shit in the UK. You just drive off the road. Shit reminds me of a Windows XP background. Found my way out of this place. And I found it. Why are you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. I'm telling you right now, yeah, if I wasn't going to uni and I didn't have like social media, I'd become a full-time professional singer. You guys reckon I had the skills for it? I reckon I do. I look left and right, mainly because I have no idea who has right of way, and I almost did just drive on the left side of the road. We're gonna completely ignore that, okay? I know we had to drive on the right side of the road. Definitely. Wait, no, wait. Okay, I have no idea which way we have to indicate, to be honest. Yeah, it was left, I was right. Whip it round here. Indicate right. Okay, we're in second gear, I think. Perfect. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna have to hit a mad overtake on this car, aren't we? What fucking gear am I in? But we're gonna see if we can. There we go. Holy shit, but I had to lock in there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna probably end the recording somewhere around here. Thank you for watching. Again, I said I'll be back in the UK soon, so I'll be uploading normal videos. If you want to see anything else, please let me know. I do want to always improve my video quality, bro. If there's something that was shit, just let me know. Again, I like to take constructive criticism. If not, bro, if you enjoyed it, I'll be uploading more soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.